Okay, I just want to show you guys how to get this Grand Theft Auto 5 to work on your PS3 if it's not loading. The infinite screen of death is what I like to call it. Basically, there's just a couple steps here. You just want to, when you're at the first screen, you want to unplug the power cord from the back. So we'll do that. This is the first step. Unplugging the power cord from the back. And then you want to wait 10 seconds. So we'll wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to plug it back in. Okay, let's try it now. Here we go. Okay, it's loading. This will take just a moment to load. Okay, let's see if it worked. There we go, it's still loading. Okay, now it's going to restore the file. This usually only takes about 30 seconds. Well, it must be restoring the hard drive. Cool, it looks like it reset. Cool, I think it's gonna work. Looks like it's gonna work. Okay, I think it's trying to load. Here we go. Okay, this is the intro screen. Yeah, it must be just the hard drive has to re-update those files, and once you unplug it for 10 seconds, that restructures the files on the hard drive, and it re-uploads those files into the system. So it looks like it's gonna work now. Hope this video helps. Give it a shot and see if it works for you.